Sawadee-ka! Speedo in Pattaya! I'm back! The sun's out. It's Tuesday, 29th of November. Up on Beach Road here. Uh-oh, the police are coming. There's a few in the back there. There's the Pattaya Beer Garden and down near Walking Street end. I thought I would take a look around here, see what's happening. While the sun's out, the weather's been terrible. I haven't done a video for about 6 days because it's been cloudy every day. The weekend with the firework festival was ridiculous. The traffic was insane. It was madness. The old building there, still for rent, anyone? Needs a few repairs up there. This is round the back of the old Boyz town. There you see there. Boyz town. I know each their own. Look, they even got the red carpet out. Bicky's pub. Sure it all looks nice at night. All the little boys in their G-strings. Toy boys a go-go. Right up your alley. And here we are, Second Road. This was all a massive traffic jam on the weekend. All the roads were blocked. It was ridiculous. Soi 13-4. The Soi 15 entrance down all the condos down through there. Yeah, but Pattaya, the weather's been terrible, to put it bluntly. You can see the clouds piling up now. The roadworks along here getting slowly finished. The firework festival. Yeah, it's nice to look at the fireworks, but you know, it's only fireworks. Right, let's check out. Wait, hang on, four-wheel driving here. Let's check out the rates here for you guys. You can see that. Aussie dollar 23.52. We dropped. Great British pound 42.40. US dollar 35.37. There they are there. And here I am on the roadworks. Buses are coming back now. The Russians are coming back. The Indians are coming back. No Chinese though yet. The big hotels are starting to open up. You see, look, there's the sign now open. I don't know the name of that, but it's at the back of my apartment behind, but they're all reopening, which is a good sign. Shark fin soup, anyone? You got the Royal Garden Plaza shopping centre with the plane, Avani Hotel. It's not cheap in there. Oh, here we go. We've got more traffic jams. Yeah, so the weather, let's hope the sun comes out. The wet season, it's been the worst wet season ever. Well, I think all around the world, everyone's been having floods and whatnot. Remember that? Dicey O'Reilly's. Yeah, look at the traffic. Hotel Barracuda. Here's one of our favourites, the Bodega Bar. 11 AM in the morning. People are having beers already. Soi 13-2 there. Bodega Bar. Used to drink there quite a bit. Not lately though. There's lots of other new bars. Wonderful bar. But look at the roadworks here. Avenue Shopping Centre. They're getting there. It's taken a while, I know. With all the rain, it's a surprise I've actually been able to do it. Very hard to do drainage work in a wet season. Yeah, the tourists are back. See everyone walking around with their suitcases. The place is coming alive. There's the old beer bar complex there. I should go for a drive-through there. They finished the road. Kiss food and drink. Just fruit, anyone? That was the old, not Mike Cavara Hotel. There's a big shopping centre down the bottom. Kiss Food and Drink looking busy. The Edge building, prices start from 3.99 million baht, so they say. Look at the condos there. The Edge, the base. Humongous! Yeah, so let's hope this COVID crap doesn't come back, because we don't want that to start up. Oh look, they put a new roof up. All those bars there, that's all the new roof section there. The Orn Group Entertainment. Look at that. So that's good. That'll help them in the wet weather we've all had. And opposite Soy Honeys and Hemingways. Always good. Little improvements here and there. The massage girls are out in force. You can see people are around. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. The tourists get up early. People who sleep here don't. People who live here, sorry, don't. We have a sleep in. The shopping centres don't open here till pretty much 11 o'clock in the morning. Look, there's the old Made in Thailand bars. Look at that. Now growing grass, if you can see in there. The brick, break the bill, for rent, anyone. It's unbelievable. Utilay 6, stayed in there for 2 years. Great apartments, close to everything. And Central Shopping, they're getting ready for Christmas now. The trees are up, the decorations. And just here on the right, the new Somerset. I had a look at the price. It's 5,000 baht a night, but they look amazing in there. Beautiful. And the views would be amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. The sun is out. Good to see. All right, let's go a little bit more up here. Cannabis shops are springing up everywhere, but they're still working on the rules about that. They might be taking them all out. Soy New Plaza just here. And High Five Hotel, they've redone that. Soy 8 will give you a drive down there another day, but that's looking a bit dead down there. But they're certainly working on the buildings just there. That one's getting remodeled. All these massage shops just here. Another weed shop, man. Anyway, it's good to see the sun out. Thank you all for watching my videos. Appreciate it all. And your kind comments. And stay safe. It's P. Joe over with the show. It's old Soy 7 coming back to life as well. Take care, everybody. The sun is shining. I might go for a swim, gym, sunbake. Good old Second Road. Uru over and out.